to my channel. For this video, I'm going to unbox the Instapot. It's an electric pressure cooker, 6 quart Duo Evo. So last year, my husband bought a 8 quart, but I sell it to my coworker because it's too big for me and it's not the same like this model. This model, the Instapot, the 6 quart Duo Evo, with the sous vide, it's more convenient for me and it's more faster to cook, especially working mom. I bought this Instapat. It was on sale during the Black Friday sale. The original price was $179 and I got only $122 plus tax, so I paid $129 including tax. Not so bad. Yeah, I'm so happy because last year I got a big one. It's a gift. It's a gift from my husband. It's a 8 quart, and I found that it's too big for me, and it's like I cannot go inside the cabinet. It's too big and it's heavy. So I sell it to my coworker, and I decided to buy this. It's like a third generation, the Instapat Duo Evo. Yeah, and for me, it's like very convenient. As a working mom, especially when I arrive at home from the job, I'm always rushing and thinking what to cook for dinner and preparing for the next day for our lunch to bring at the job. Yeah, it's like a big advantage for me also, because when I cook from the cook or the cooktop, the twins, they always get burned. They always touching their fingers to the casserole or the skillet. Yeah, so always they get burned. And this one is like very convenient. It's more faster to cook, like unlike the regular cooktop oven. It took me 1 to 2 hours to cook kasi matigas pa yung karne. So ito 20 to 30 minutes. So malambot na siya, at saka hindi ako mas-stress kahit naka-on lang siya, at saka mag-multitasking ako, mag-laundry, mag-fold ng mga damit ng twins, at saka maglinis. So yan, at saka hindi siya nag-leak kasi meron siyang ito yung water in case na may lumalabas. So yan. So next time magluto ako ng nilagang baka. Watch out guys, and thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the updates of my next video. Pasensya na guys, makulit ang twins. Bye! Thank you so much.